You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the President of South Africa once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names from global politics in South Africa, stay tuned. I've got many more for you. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this video. Local pronunciation: Cyril Ramaphosa. Now in English, Cyril Ramaphosa. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.